Hi everyone, welcome to TTI, a whole new world of science, fun, and machines. I hope you are ready for this video featuring cool gadgets that anyone would like. Be sure to check it out for yourself and let us know which is your favorite. Let us begin. Bosma Sentry. Our first gadget is one you will love if you are a safety nut. The Bosma Sentry, created by American company Bosma, is a doorbell unlike any other. Improve your home's comfort and safety as these doorbells, as built-in cameras, allow you to see what is happening at your door in real time. Whether it is the mailman or an unwanted guest, you will have the option to communicate with them without even approaching the door. Operate the Sentry from your smartphone, speaking with them through the built-in speaker. Owners can get ahead of situations in case of a criminal situation. It is easier to know when a parcel is at your door. Have your visitors leave you a message on Sentry, just like they would a phone's answering machine. The best part is the anti-theft capabilities that set off an alarm when someone tries to remove objects from your porch. The cost of the Bosma Sentry is only $140. Are you getting one? HPRT. Never lose another piece of a document ever again. Well, how can you when you have an on-the-go printer? This printer is compact, portable, and fits anywhere you need it to go. HPRT can work with any device that has wireless capabilities, whether smartphone, laptop, or computer with a cable. The required cartridges for this printer are only $19, and the printer itself starts a little over $200. Print on the road, in your car, in the coffee shop, anywhere at all, at your convenience with the HPRT printer. Canon IVY REC. Who doesn't like a clip-on camera? No need for tripods, a phone, or a selfie stick to take a cool selfie. The Canon IVY REC fits everywhere, even in your smallest pocket. This camera is waterproof, sturdy, takes at 13 megapixels high-resolution video taking 60 frames per second. This camera is unusual and just what you need, especially if you are filming in rain, snow, or on a beach. The IVY REC from Canon clips anywhere thanks to the carabiner. The price, in case you are wondering, is only $80. Banana phone. If you are the PAX joker or just someone who wishes to stand out from everyone, then you will love this next creation. The banana phone is a Bluetooth piece that can be connected to your smartphone. Imagine receiving a call and instead of a phone that everyone expects, you pull out the banana phone.
Yellow.
Hey, you gonna tell him about the gorillas?
Yeah, I'll tell him about it.
This bright yellow banana will turn some eyes as not many people would expect someone to be talking into a banana. The battery time on the phone is 120 hours when not in use, with a talk time of 20 hours. This simple banana can be used as a Bluetooth speaker or to give the command to a voice assistant. For $40 each, you can buy as many banana phones as you would wish. HapsBox. Hey, look at what you can get for only $450. Specialists, including musicians and enthusiasts, created an exciting new way to make music from Hong Kong. This will not only surprise you but knock your socks off. Meet the HapsBox. This gadget can be used by both professional musicians and those just starting. HapsBox creates harmonies, sounds, and beats from your everyday musical instruments, creating unlimited potential for what you could make. Differing from the design of other mechanics of its kind, the HapsBox is more convenient, simple, and easy to use. It also has an unusual shape, making it easier and more convenient for everyone to use. Gazer Projector. Here is a projector that even a child can use. The Gazer Projector is not only user-friendly but also very technologically advanced. There is no traditional projector as it requires no long and exhausting installation, reading a manual 20 times to figure out where the missing card should go. You won't even have to attach it to your ceiling or walls. This projector is portable and can be moved along with its stand from place to place. Looking at this projector, one would think it is just another fancy accessory added to your living space. It features 360-degree round design and projects at 240 inches wide. Battery life on this projector is up to 5 hours and supports between 2K and 4K viewing quality. While the quality projected could be easily mistaken for the most expensive television brands out there, the Gazer projector's cost starts at only $160. Let us know if you like this projector in the comments below. Bowman. Okay, here is a what? A crossbow for toothpicks. I guess someone with a real funny bone created this one. This desk toy was made and designed by Uncommon Carry, and uncommon it is indeed. While this toy was not created for a specific reason, we can imagine someone playing with it for hours. The prices for these mini arrows range from $25 to $80 depending on the model, and whether that model has a laser sight or not. FlyNova. Here is another gadget one could play with for hours. This is another disc toy. This one is called FlyNova. FlyNova could be seen as a new and improved fidget spinner, but this one surfs in the air. Throw the FlyNova from finger to finger. It will hover in the air without falling to the ground. For only $30, you can create fun games and activities with this cool gadget. Add some physical activity to your life with the FlyNova. Gomer. Who doesn't like a cute robot with facial recognition? Well, Gomer can do that for you. Developed by Glee Technology, a Chinese company that hit the nail on the head with this one. If you need another friend or even family member, you can get a Gomer for only $400. Gomer carries and lifts objects with its hands. This companion robot moves fragile items thanks to its soft grip. Gomer has cameras that can take pictures and even video that shares straight to social media. This robot can even serve as a spy, as you can see what happened in front of the robot from your smartphone. Gomer can also call you by name thanks to its facial recognition system. MarsCat. Okay, so we saved the cutest gadget for last. Elephant Robotics, a Chinese company, created the MarsCat. MarsCat is like having a cat without having a cat, as MarsCat is a robot. Forget hairballs, scratching of the carpets and couch. MarsCat is problem-free and hypoallergenic. This robotic pet is independent and skillfully operates like a real cat. It reacts to prominent voices, touch, and can play and communicate. MarsCat also shows emotion thanks to the built-in sound collection that this robot features. Each cat was made different, can be trained, develop its personality and habits, all dependent on the treatment from its owner. The best part is, you can own a MarsCat for only $650. Have you enjoyed this list of cool gadgets? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to like and share with friends, and stay tuned for more awesome content like this. See you next time.